Good morning, dear students. Today we all are going to discuss chapter number 8 of our TB books. In this chapter, there is a new thing to which we all have to learn, and that new thing is doing words. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to tell you about doing words. What are doing words? They are also called as verb. Okay, doing words and verbs, they both are same thing. Okay, so first of all, what are doing words? This question arise. Okay, so doing words are those words which tell us about action. Okay, or indicate एक्शन. ठीक है, ये बताते हैं कि क्या एक्शन हो रहा है, क्या काम हो रहा है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम ईटिंग, सो ईट इज अ डूइंग वर्ड. I am jumping, so jump is a doing word. The girl is crying, cry is a doing word. Okay, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल द बॉय इज ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, ड्रिंक इज ऑल्सो अ डूइंग वर्ड. ठीक है, जो भी काम हम करते हैं वो सब क्या होते हैं, हमारे डूइंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. चाहे खाना पीना, जंप करना, ठीक है, सोना, स्लीप करना, टू वॉश द क्लॉथ्स, टू वॉश द हैंड्स, टू ब्रश आवर टीथ, टू कॉम्ब आवर हेयर, टू वॉश आवर फेस, टू वियर द ड्रेस. तो ये वियर, वॉश है ना, ब्रश, दे ऑल आर डूइंग वर्ड्स. ठीक है, अब आते हैं हम अपनी बुक के ऊपर, चैप्टर नंबर 8 के ऊपर. हम लोगों को क्या करना है, what we all have to do. Here you can see the picture. So in the first picture you all can see there is a girl who had a bundle of stick on her head. Okay, so we can say ये लकड़ियाँ लेके आ रही है, तो लेके आने को बोलते हैं fetches. Okay, so what will come here? Neha fetches sticks for cooking. Next picture you can see here what the boy is, what the girl is doing. She is catching fish, so she catches fish. Next, what the girl is doing, she is cooking food, so here we can say she cooks food. Now what she is doing, she has a needle and thread in her hand. So what does we do with a needle and hand? With a needle and thread, we always stitch, whether our clothes, whether anything, we stitch. So she stitches cloths. Okay, so what these words are? Fetches, लेके आना, catches, पकड़ना, cooks, पकाना, stitches, सिलना. ये सब उसके काम हैं, ये सारे ये काम कर रही है ना, एक्शन कर रही है. ठीक है, इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं ये सारे वर्ड्स कि वो क्या काम कर रही है. पहले वो लकड़ियाँ ला रही थी तो फैचेस, मछली पकड़ रही थी तो कैचेस, खाना पका रही थी तो कुक्स, कपड़े सिल रही थी तो स्टिचेस. दे ऑल वर्ड्स, दे आर एक्शन वर्ड्स और डूइंग वर्ड्स. So dear students, here the definition of doing words is given on your book. All these words which tell us about some action, जो हमें किसी भी action के बारे में बताएं, they are called as doing word or action words. ठीक है, अब आता है हमारा next page. What we have to do, we have to see the picture and we have to tell that what they are doing. So first is Neha is dash the tree. So Neha, she is a girl, her name is Neha, and what actions she is doing? She is climbing. Okay, here helping verb is coming, so we will use here Action word with ing, climbing. Next is Bhima is dash on a tree. On a tree, it means there is nobody on the tree here. So we can see this boy. So it means he is Bhima. So Bhima is sitting on a tree. You can see that what action is doing is sitting on a tree. Next one, Kavita is dash Neha. So Kavita, she's watching Neha. Next is Karan is dash Amun from the ground. So here this boy is sitting on the ground. So he is collecting jamuns from the ground. And Kareem is dash jamuns. You can see here Kareem, he having a ball in his hand and he is eating jamun. So what action he is doing? He is eating. So this boy is eating, this boy is collecting, this girl is climbing, this girl is watching, and this boy is sitting. So what these words are? They all words are doing words. Next, in this worksheet, we have to circle all doing words. Rajat goes to school. Here Rajat is a name. School is object. So it means goes is action. Okay. My mother cooks tasty food. My mother is again here noun or subject. So cooks is action. पकाना, हाथ से पकाते हैं, है ना, काम होता है पकाना. The dog is running after the cat. What dog is doing? क्या कर रहा है कुत्ता? भाग रहा है. तो run is here action word or doing word. We should cross the road carefully. Which one is here doing word? Cross. हमें पार करना चाहिए. ठीक है. She sings beautifully. Here sings is a action word. They are playing cricket. So what they are doing? They are playing. So here playing is a doing word. The maid washes the dishes. The washes is a doing word. And Neha is watching television. Here watching is again doing word. Next one. Dear students, you all have to complete up to here on your PB books and also understand the doing words. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.